Right, let's install these bad boys. First you're going to decide how far you want the next drawer from the other one. You can go for this height or 2. I'm going to go for 2 planks high. I'm going to put 1 plank, 2 planks in there, and the same on the other side as well. 1 plank. Yeah. 2 planks. Open up your runners. These runners are just normal stainless steel ball bearing runners. At the end it's got a soft closed running system. So you will have the ones that soft close, got this plastic bit in, or without that, just the normal stainless steel rollers. They all work the same, installments the same, so let's get started. First what you're going to do is take this first inside piece out, push there, and just let this bit move out. Turn around, keep on pulling, then there's this bit that sticks out. Draw that to your left hand side, like that. It's a bit tricky, left hand side, and just keep on pulling, and then it will come out. Always very important, make sure you don't get any dust or anything inside the runners. It's greased up on the inside, so we don't want any wooden bits in there. So put this aside, did that with the one, and then we obviously do the same with the other one. Just move, pull that bit out, turn around, there's that bit that's sticking out, move to the left, keep on pulling, and it's out. Away we go. Now we're going to make some marks. Get that end 7 millimeters away from the edge or the side. So again, it's this side. It's going to fit over there on the 7 millimeter edge. Just make it a little bit higher. That side, the top side, 7 millimeters away. It's over there. Now you have to pull this bit out until you see these different holes. So you can choose whatever hole you want to use. There's like 20 different holes. What I like to do is take these holes that's like this. It looks like this. So it's just easier for me to drill a hole there in the middle, and then later on, if I need to move the runner itself, I can move it to that way, or I can move it to that way if I really need to adjust it. So that's there. We're going to mark one over there, and then we go for somewhere in the middle over there. We're going to mark it there, and then another one there at the end, like such. Take the runner off completely, put it somewhere where there's no dust again. After you've drilled your holes, you put the runner back. Again, 7 millimeters there from the side with the top bit. Now you look for the holes that you've just drilled. There we go, there's a hole. Screwdriver. after you've secured the runner, you take the bit you took out earlier. There's a slit, there's a slit. Put this in there. And you just keep on pushing. Keep on pushing until you're going to hear a click sound. There we go. And then you do the same to the other side. There we go. Next up, take the drawer, put it into place. Mark away from the side 5 millimeters. Bring out this end to the 5 millimeters. Make a mark over there again. And just drill your hole. First time you close it, it's going to struggle to close, so just keep on pressing, pressing, pressing until it's completely in. Take these wooden bits underneath out. And that's how it's done.